Christine Lawson is a triathlete. She had to have surgery to follow her dreams.
She had quite a bit of wear and tear. If you see on the side that's affected, she basically has no cartilage left.
I cannot say enough about how happy I've been to have done the surgery, have come out in such good shape, and it allows me to keep doing what I want to do. I did the half Ironman, from hip replacement to half Ironman. It couldn't have been better. Wanalua Hospital, where my surgery was done, everybody made me feel really comfortable. It was amazing because the very day of the surgery, you have to stand up and walk as much as you can, and it didn't hurt. I mean, even with all of the stuff going on, it didn't hurt. It was amazing. I'm really happy. Changed my life.
So the way we look at sports medicine is, the patient comes in, they're the captain of the team, they're the most important person. And all of us here, physical therapy, the surgeons, our nurses, our MAs, our tech staff, they're all there. We're all just part of their crew team to help them get to wherever they're trying to get to.